All right, Craig, what's our HubSpot workflow feature of the week?
Just a very simple setting in Workflows where you can control when actions will execute. A couple of examples in the show notes where you can say, well, instead of actions just happening anytime, which is the default, and frankly, most of the time we do that.
Yeah.
But you could say, oh, look, I only want it to be on weekdays or only in day business hours and things like that. You can also say, oh, don't execute, say, on public holidays, Christmas, New Year, that kind of thing. You can get pretty granular. You could have specific days or windows, hour windows on particular days, things like that. You might only say, I only want it running on 2 days a week, the first 2 days. Okay, why would you do it? There might be various scenarios for that. And especially if you're running processes or workflows that are more internal processes and sending notifications and things like that.
Yeah.
You probably wouldn't want to limit actions if they're externally facing. Someone signs up for an ebook. Oh no, don't send them the thank you email to Monday. Oh, that'd be a bit frustrating. So your mileage may vary. But look, there is control over it. So just highlighting that for people that may or may not have known about it.
Yeah, and I think the other one to highlight is the upcoming dates of when to pause actions from executing. That was another interesting one that I have actually never used.
Yeah, I think public holidays is a good example of that.
Yes.
So you might pause on Christmas or maybe you're on a break over Christmas, so that kind of thing, holidays. And it's quite nice. You can get that to recur annually. So you can say, oh, don't run on Christmas Day, and in fact never on a Christmas day any year. So yeah.
So Craig, does that, if you click annually, does that automatically increment the...
It won't increment the date, but it will know that for subsequent years on that date of that month not to run it. Yeah.
Cool. A great little tip. So go check out your workflows, people.